I'm going to be sharing with you my experience with eBay dropshipping and how long I have been doing eBay dropshipping and the profit margins and also how many sales I'm getting per day. Now, first, I have to tell you something before I start this video that I'm not going to use any software, okay? Because I have used it in the past, but it didn't work for me, okay? That's why I stopped using softwares. I do manual eBay dropshipping, okay? There is no software cost, there is nothing. I dropship from AliExpress to eBay. You may say, why not dropship from Amazon, for example? But Amazon, always the package, it always has the logo of Amazon, okay? That's the problem with Amazon, with dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, okay? There is always the logo of the package, and also you have to use third-party tracking number in order for you to use Amazon tracking number on eBay. You have to use third-party, but with AliExpress there is no problem, okay? With AliExpress you don't have to worry about the logo of the product, like the logo in the package when the product is being sent to the customer. And also you don't have to worry about the tracking number because eBay accepts Amazon like eBay tracking numbers, okay? So what I'm going to show you here, first let me show you here some some tips here. I'm going to show you exactly the mistakes you should avoid in order for you to start this business without any problems, okay? Because like I said, I have been doing this for like 6 years now and it works for me, and I believe it's going to work for you. By the way, if you want me to help you scale your eBay store and turn it into a passive income, here is my own Instagram account, okay? By the way, these are my students here. I have on let me show you here the results. As you can see, 4,000 sales. We are scaling this store from scratch. As you can see, 4,000, and now it's getting now to 9,000, as you can see. And here, as you can see here,
in the last few months around,
as you can see, $57,000. So this is all from AliExpress to eBay. I don't use any private supplier or anything like that, okay? So in order for you to consistently make $10,000 with eBay dropshipping, let me show you the method I use myself, okay? By the way, like I said, you can contact me on Instagram for full mentorship if you want to do that. Now, here I'm going to search for a random product on AliExpress. First, of course, I will be showing you how to process orders, how to deal with customers, returns, item not received, how to ship the product, how to add tracking number, everything you need to know. First, but I want to show you the most important thing, which is how to find winning products. First, you want to go to AliExpress, okay? Find any product and then click on it and then copy the title of the product. First, I have to change the location to United States on AliExpress, okay? So after that, you want to just, as you can see, the cost of this product is $4. Now I'm going to copy the whole title and then search for it on eBay. You may say, okay, why we should find this product on eBay? Okay, so as you can see on AliExpress, it has like 32 sales, okay? So people are interested in this product, but it does not mean that eBay people are interested in this too. So we have to find if people are selling this exact product on eBay or not. It seems like no one is selling this, no one is selling the exact same product. So what we need to do is to get rid of this product and find another one. Now I'm going to click on this one, for example, and I'm going to copy again the title. Now I'm going to search for it and I'm going to see if people are selling this or not. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on list view. Okay, so yeah, this guy is selling the exact same product and he sold it 24 times, which is very, very good. But we have to check if the prices are good or not. Now the prices here, the price on AliExpress is $6 and on eBay it's $18. So the profit margin is going to be around 50% or 60%. That's what I like about AliExpress, by the way. Okay, the profit margin is very high on AliExpress compared to eBay. Now, as you can see on AliExpress, this one has 10,000 sales, but on eBay, it's getting sales. People are interested in this product. It got 24 sales. Anything below 3 sales, don't even bother with it, okay? So go with 24 sales. Go with anything above 20, anything above 3 sales. But in this case, it's 24, which is amazing. Now, as you can see, this product comes with different variations and with different sizes here. As you can see, it's the exact same product, and this guy is literally drop shipping this from AliExpress. As you can see, the images are the same. Let me check again the images. Yeah, the images are literally the same. Okay, so what this telling me is this product is a winning product and it's going to get sales on my store too, because yes, people on eBay are interested in this product. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to list this. Okay, I'm going to click on sell, and I'm going to click on create listing, and I am going to copy the title of eBay seller, and then click on search, and after that you want to click on new with tags and continue selling. You may say, why should I copy this title on eBay seller, not AliExpress? As you know, AliExpress, yes, it has a lot of sales, but this title is not proven to work on eBay. So why not just duplicate what already works? This works on eBay, so we just need to copy this title and then use it for our eBay listing. Now, after that, you want to download an extension that helps you download images from AliExpress. Just search on Google for download AliExpress images. And as you can see, this is the extension. Just click on download. And after that, whenever you open any product on AliExpress, these 4 buttons will pop up, and click on main images, and this will download all the images for you. Now click on upload from computer on your eBay listing, and now you want to click on downloads, and you want to find the product here, and I'm going to upload the images. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click again on download upload from, and I'm going to select the images, click on open. Okay, these are the images, right? I'm going to move this one as the primary image that people will see the first time clicking on the product, because it gets more clicks on eBay. So I'm going to use this because this guy is using the same image, so I'm going to use it too. So as you can see here, guys, what you need to do next is to add item specifications. About the item specifications, you just need to copy them from eBay seller itself, okay? Just copy the brand name, the type, the size, the everything here. The brand name doesn't apply, so just go with the brand name unbranded, okay? It's not branded. The style, okay? The style here, it doesn't apply, so the same thing. Style doesn't apply. So the same thing, just copy the seller. And with the description, again, copy the seller. Just copy these images and then paste them here on your eBay description. After the prices, always reduce the price by a little cent. Like for example, if he's selling it for $18.99, you want to sell it for $18.98. Just reduce it by a little bit, okay? Just to compete with them. So next, you want to list it. Now, I recommend you to list 50 products in order to start getting sales. Like I said, we can list products for you and also show you like from product research to managing everything you can just reach out to me on Instagram, and we can do a call and live calls every day till you learn everything. And we will also start listing products on your store, okay? So after you list this product, like I said, I recommend you to list at least 50 products in order for you to start getting sales. Now, once you start getting sales, if you click on selling, my eBay selling, and then click on orders here, awaiting shipment, you will be able to see here the orders that you have sold. Now, this one was sold and they just need to ship it. How can I ship it? I go to AliExpress, find the exact same product, and then click on buy now. Now, instead of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer. That's very simple, right? Now, AliExpress ships the product directly to the customer. So that's exactly what you need to do. Very, very simple business. Now, what you need to do next is after you buy this on AliExpress and after you enter the address of the customer, to find the address of the customer, you just need to click on view order details, and here you will be able to find the address. Scroll down and this is the address, the full name, the street code, the city, You will find the state here and also the street. Okay, so very, very simple business. I'm going to add here the email, and as you can see on AliExpress, I have registered now. Now you just need to click on buy now, and instead, like I said, of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer, which is this. Okay, so after it's shipped, what you need to do next is you want to go and just, just list. After you do this, you just need to add the tracking number. Now after this gets shipped within 2 days, I'm not using my own AliExpress. I am using another one, so I'm going to try to use my own AliExpress account right now. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to use this one as an example. I'm going to click on my orders, and here you will be able to find the orders that you have purchased for your customers. Now, in my case, I have to purchase this and get the tracking number from AliExpress. Now, let's assume that I already purchased this on eBay on AliExpress, I'm sorry, for my eBay customer. Now, after you buy this, you will be provided with tracking number. You want to click on it, copy the tracking number, and then click on here where it says add tracking number. Now, after that, you just need to add the tracking number and the courier. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, so this business is very, very big, like easy business, and they want everyone to start eBay dropshipping. Don't bother with Shopify, because eBay is just growing every single year. Okay, so as you can see here, you may be wondering, what if the product is not as described, or the customer doesn't like it? What I should do? The same thing. If he doesn't like the product, you go to AliExpress and open up keys, say something like I don't like this, or item not as described, and you get your money back, and then you refund the buyer on eBay. So you will never lose any money with this business. Okay, so if you have any questions, by the way, you can contact me on Instagram or in the comments. Like, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or if you want me to do everything for you and scale your store, here is my own Instagram account. Okay, call me and let's talk. Now, hopefully this tutorial is all you need to get started on eBay, and I hope you get exactly what you want this year, which is $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month with eBay dropshipping. Now, like I said, if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. So drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.